Welcome to JMH Tech. So now I will be showing you how to enable the grid option in your camera. So now the grid is a composition feature which is used by many photographers to compose their photographs. So now you'll have to enable it in the settings. So now first I will go to the settings, and here you can scroll down to find the camera option, but instead I will swipe to the top and find the search option. This is a quick tip. You can find any settings by searching right here. So I will search for the camera, and I will not go for the camera in the privacy section, but instead the third option, which is written camera. Once I click on it, I will have been taken to the camera section of the settings. So now in the compositions list, you can see the option to enable grid. So now I will toggle it on, and now the grid has been enabled. So now I will go to the camera, and you can see thin white lines which have been appeared in my camera, which has not been there before. So now, according to a photographer, the four intersecting points mark the locations where you put your subjects to take a composed photo. So this is the way you enable the grid on your iPhone.